Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. Now to get started, you will want to hold the power key and from the boot options select power off. When the device turns off, you'll then want to hold power key and volume down at the same time, and you will hold both of those keys till you see OnePlus, at which point you will let go of only the power key. You want to keep holding volume down though. And once it disappears, you can let go, and you should see your language selection. From here, choose your desired language. I'll be sticking with English. And then we want to select wipe data and cache, and in here, wipe cache. Confirm it, and there we go, it's done. And neatly, it gives us automatically the option to reboot the device. So let's select that, and this will take us to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.